In our homes, batteries are everywhere. They power drills, tools, and devices we rely on every day. But over time, they begin to weaken. They stop holding charge, and sometimes they won't even respond when placed on the charger. Hello everyone. Today, I want to show you a simple method that can bring a weak drill battery back to life, using basic tools you already have at home. Watch till the end. You can fix it yourself. I take a multimeter and check the battery terminals. Place the probes carefully and watch the reading. There is no response. No measurable voltage. This confirms that the battery is not delivering power in its current state. To double check, place the battery into the charger. Watch the indicator. There is no light, no signal. The charger does not recognize it. This is where many people give up. I'm sure you've got your own helpful methods, so share them in the comment section and let's help each other out. But instead of stopping here, we go deeper. Take a screwdriver and begin opening the battery case. Dust builds up on the surface over time. At first, it may not seem like a big issue, but it can gradually get inside through contact gaps, housing seams, and even small ventilation openings in some batteries. Work slowly and keep the screws organized. Once the cover comes off, we can finally see what is happening inside. There are internal cells, wires, and contact point. Everything looks physically intact. But over time, dust, oxidation, and small misalignments can prevent proper electrical flow. Take a soft brush and begin cleaning the inside carefully. Remove any dust that is collected around the cells and connections. Then take a cotton swab and apply a small amount of WD-40. Gently clean the contact points and the circuit areas. This helps remove oxidation and improves conductivity. WD-40 is designed to push moisture away from metal surfaces, helping reduce the risk of short circuits. It also protects against rust and leaves a thin film that helps prevent moisture from returning. Sometimes the contact points can become slightly bent or misaligned. Use a pair of tweezers and carefully adjust them. Precision tweezers have a fine, pointed tip that is both thin and sturdy, making them easy to handle and ideal for working in tight, delicate areas with control. Make sure they sit correctly and can make solid contact when the battery is reassembled. Next, we focus on the battery terminals. These points are critical because they are where the current enters and exits. Take a piece of sandpaper, spray a little WD-40 onto it, and begin cleaning the metal contacts. Work slowly and evenly. You will start to see dirt and oxidation come off onto the sandpaper. This is a good sign. It means you are exposing clean metal underneath. Once everything is clean and aligned, reassemble the battery. Tighten the screws firmly so the case holds together securely. The cleaning step helps stabilize the battery and can extend its lifespan by improving contact and reducing resistance. However, it is only a supporting step and does not fully repair the battery. To bring it back to working condition, the voltage must be restored so the charger can recognize and activate it again. Now we prepare a simple setup to restore that voltage. Take two metal clips. These can be simple binder clips or small metal clamps. Attach wires to them using alligator clips. This creates a flexible connection system that can be used to transfer current. This method is simple, but it requires attention and care. Always make sure your connections are correct and never rush the process. Instead of throwing away batteries that seem unusable, take the time to inspect and test them. Many can still be saved with basic techniques. Next, we need a power source. Take 2 car batteries and check their voltage using the multimeter. Each one should read around 12 volts. Connect them in series to increase the output. This setup provides enough energy to stimulate the weak battery. Now comes the critical step. Connect the metal clips to the terminals of the old battery. Make sure positive connects to positive and negative connects to negative. The key steps here are cleaning, restoring contact, and carefully reintroducing voltage. Each stage plays a role in the final result. Double check your connections before proceeding. To confirm that current is flowing, take a small light bulb with wires and touch it across the connection. The bulb lights up. This shows that electricity is moving through the circuit. During this time, a small amount of energy flows into the weak battery, raising its voltage just enough to be recognized again. After 30 seconds, disconnect everything and move back to the charger. Place the battery into the charger once again. Now watch the indicator. This time, the light turns on. The charger detects the battery and begins charging. Leave the battery to charge fully. This may take around 2 hours, depending on its condition. Once charging is complete, take the battery and place it into the drill. Hold it firmly and press the trigger. The drill starts running, smooth and stable. The battery that once appeared dead is now working again. This transformation shows that many batteries are not truly dead. They simply fall below the threshold where normal charging can begin. And with the right method, they can be brought back. I've used this approach many times, and each time it shows how small adjustments can restore function and extend the life of tools we depend on. If you try this at home, start slowly, follow each step, and observe how the battery responds. This will help you understand the process and improve your results. Share your experience and let others know what worked for you. Stay with the channel for more practical ideas where simple methods turn worn-out tools back into something reliable and useful again.